In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a Facebook page to Messenger. Let's launch the Facebook app.
Before you do anything, you should know that to make any changes to the page, you need to switch to the page profile first.
To do this, tap on the three vertical lines. In this menu, tap on Pages. In the Pages menu, select the page you need to make the changes to. A pop-up should appear telling you to switch to the page profile. In the pop-up, tap on Switch. Now we are on my page profile. Tap on the three vertical lines again. Scroll down and look for Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy. In the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for How People Find and Contact You. Tap on it. In the messaging option, turn on the Allow People to Message Your Page option. And your work is done. From now on, people will be able to message your page.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.